Hey, my besties, how you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to Bougie Bear and Family. We are here to motivate, encourage, and inspire. I'm here to be your biggest cheerleader, your friend, your listening ear, a sounding board. If you need this, maybe even want this, hit that subscribe and become a part of the Bestie crew. To my OGs and my new news, I love you, I appreciate you, and I want you to know that you are the best part of my channel. Remember to do all the things, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. So, how y'all been doing? How y'all been feeling? How's your week's been? How's your weekend been? How's your Sunday going? I pray that everything is going well over there on your side of the street, wherever it is that your side is. I hope you're enjoying the video. I appreciate y'all for being here and for hanging with me. Your girl is a little late with the video because this weekend has not been a huge successful weekend because I've been thinking about my mother-in-law, and this is the day of her passing, and it's a little hard to get over sometimes, and I'm trying to not remember the date as much as I should not be remembering the date, but it's hard because sometimes you just don't know. And that's like, for me, she was somebody that I called all the time, especially when I was having issues with her son, and just trying to maintain my faith walk and trying to maintain this journey and do these things and help me with my kids and do stuff. And it was like, so it's a little hard, so it took me a little longer to get this video out, but I did get the video to you guys. I'm not doing a lot of talking in this video, so after this you won't hear any more talking, but I pray that you all enjoyed this video, and thank you. And I pray that you are getting something from my journey at this time. I love y'all. I appreciate you. I'm so glad that you're here, and I will stop talking and let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. So this is a little celebration that the Connect Center put on for the kids in the summer leadership camp program that they were in. It was all through Learn and Earn. So they got paid while earning money, and they learned the value of money. They learned work skills and all that other good stuff. So this was just the little celebration that they put on for all of the students who actually completed and made it through. And husband was there, so this is all him and Jada's doing with the videoing.
He was here every day to deal with us, and he dealt with the boys. It was issues. Thank you, Miss May. We love you and appreciate you.
I missed a few few days. It was like a day out of town. I was like, they got it.
Hello, besties. Grocery haul for the week. I went to Save a Lot, Walmart, and Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. So I got diced hash browns, Welch's fruit snacks for the kids. There's barbecue seasoned pork chops, salad, more barbecue pork chops. These are boneless though. The original crispy chicken, and this is spicy chicken. A bell pepper, cucumber, 2 of the Michelinas, Swiss rolls, Nutter Butters, the Mega Bowls for husband's lunch, 2 of the garlic bread. I bought these to go with the chicken. I'm going to try something different. Some imitation bacon bits and some minced garlic because I didn't have any. So from Walmart, I picked up that. What is that stuff? Foaming hand wash refill. This was from Family Dollar. This is from Walmart. It's the cherry chia milk revitalized by Dove. The plate, bowl, and the little silverware set, they were I think $1 or something. It was super cute. It's for work. This is from the Dollar Tree. It's 2 things of tissue. Husband got me some Dr. Pepper Jack thingies. From the Dollar Tree, we get sandwich container, 2 of the pizza containers. I picked up just a plain container for grease. Freshen Up extra sensitive whitening toothpaste. Those are from the protein powders from Walmart. Spoon and forks from Dollar Tree. The Dial Refresh and Renew from Walmart. Dr. Chills from Walmart, and 2 things of sandwich bags and 2 things of foaming trays. And that is all for my haul. Now it's time to put it all away. Hello, besties. I went to Marshall's. I picked me up a bag. I believe this is considered luggage, but it's a book bag. It was $19.99. I got that from Marshall's. I went to Ollie's and got me another phone stand, $4.99, and I needed a mount for the car, but I needed one a little different than the bling because the little round part breaks easier on it. I got an air freshener. This is from Five Below. What is this? A little stitch lanyard so I can change out my lanyards. I went to Sally's and got the cream curly custard stuffs and a dual-sided sponge. I'm gonna try to do my hair. This was my little free gift from Bath and Body Works, so I'm gonna put that in my purse. And I picked up 2 car air fresheners. This is Onyx Frost. It has a little more of a manly scent because the other refills don't really work that well. But that's all I did today.